Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add testimonials in your Webnode website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Webnode, and then you need to find like this here, the sections, and you want to just click plus, scroll down below, and you're gonna see right here testimonials, right? So insert it, and voila, here we have it. This is like really perfect. Now, what you can do is change image. You can edit it as much as you want. It's really cool, really simple. What you can do is also add different, like new free testimonials and just delete the text here. And these are just like free columns that you got here. Another way is like using Placeit application, which you have down below in the comments. And you can use the Placeit, let me show you. Application for testimonials, and just adding testimonial slider. Look how it looks like, and you can add the code here. You can edit everything here, add the code, add HTML, paste the code here, publish the website. I will show you how it looks like. Voila. So here we have it. This is like another way, better way how you can add testimonials to your Webnode website. You can actually edit the whole plan and whole Placeit, changing the content, changing the photos, the text, literally everything. It's really simple. You can find by yourself. So thank you very much. Have a great day and